y'all, so let me hurry up. Oh, somebody did move my shit back over here again. Right here. Let me go get my car. Then I can take this and throw this out. But yeah. I said don't take my top off. Do not. Because I'm sure I'm gonna go take my shit. Hold on, y'all. Y'all see right here? Then I'm gonna throw them bones out. Okay. Okay, so I made it right here. Hold on, let me show y'all. Ew, what the hell is this? But I made it right here. That's exactly where I'm gonna stay. Till tomorrow. Then hopefully I come back, I can park right there. But until then, I need to find somewhere to put this. Cause it still got I'm gonna take it out of this one. I took this one out of this and put the other in. So there we go. That way when I do go back I can get some different scents. Because child, I just got these. I'm gonna wear these out. But yeah, let me get out of here, y'all. And go throw this shit away. Hopefully I ain't too close, cause child, if I am, oh well, I'm not moving no more. Should have put that up there. But yeah, so take y'all out with me. Come on, y'all. Okay, sorry about that, y'all. We get these bones. Cause child, oh, we moved that car too. We ain't got in the car and left. Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to the trash can. I'm just going to throw this real quick. That's close enough. If anything in the mail, it'll be in there tomorrow. I'll get it out tomorrow. I'm not trying to be no longer out here in this rain than I already am. But yeah. So I'm gonna have to edit this before I post it up. I'm gonna take this back in the house. I could put the top back on it, but I'm gonna have to sit it somewhere to put the top back on. Come on. Yeah, come on now. God damn it, come on, sir. the top back on. I'll take my ass back in the house. Because it's sprinkling. I don't like this. But I will see y'all later. Y'all have a blessed day. Be safe. Love y'all guys. Bye.